Welcome to Impact Headlines. Trump tariffs and trade tensions threaten growth. UK tries to amend relations with China. 2025 to be a tough year for crude markets. The return of Trump's presidency raises worldwide trade concerns about global economic stability with proposed tariffs on China, Canada, and Mexico. Tariffs on US trading partners could disrupt global supply chains, particularly in the auto industry, increasing prices and stalling growth. Ongoing US-China trade tensions add to global uncertainty. Meanwhile, wage pressures, inflation, and rising costs in the United States and Europe continue to challenge global economic momentum, requiring careful policy decisions in the year ahead. Impact on Sri Lanka. The United States is Sri Lanka's largest export market. In the first 11 months of 2024, exports to the United States rose to $2.65 billion, a 6.2% rise from a year earlier. Higher tariffs and strained supply chains could impact US consumer spending, affecting Sri Lanka's export growth and, in turn, its balance of payments. The UK-China economic and financial dialogue has resumed after a 5-year hiatus, resulting in agreements worth around $1 billion. This initiative, led by the UK Chancellor Rachel Reeves, comes amidst political challenges over her 2025 mini-budget, which proposes a $40 billion tax increase and $30 billion in borrowing. These measures have increased fears of a possible debt crisis similar to the 1970s. Due to this, the UK bond yields have also risen over 5% due to a near 30-year high. Impact on Sri Lanka. The UK is Sri Lanka's second largest export and third largest tourism source market. Therefore, UK's economic health directly influences demand for Sri Lankan goods and tourism. In 2024, over 177,000 UK tourists have arrived in Sri Lanka. Analysts expect 2025 to be a tough year for the crude markets due to Trump's tariffs on oil imports from Canada and Mexico and new sanctions on Russian oil. US refiners have also complained about poor margins due to low crude oil prices. The International Energy Agency EIA revised its 2025 production estimates to 1.1 million barrels per day from strong demand expectations in emerging economies. However, these are not strong markets for US refiners. Impact on Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka's high dependency on oil imports means the drop in oil prices will ease pressure on its balance of payments. While the country's foreign exchange reserves have improved in recent months, they still remain dangerously low at around 4 months of oil imports. And that's the wrap for this week. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay updated on the latest developments in Sri Lanka.